PhilHealth and female members can look forward to the expansion of more services geared towards helping them monitor and maintain their health and ultimately live a better life, hopefully free of sickness. What those services and benefits are, Joshua Garcia reveals in this report.
Yesterday, the Board of Directors of the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, or PhilHealth, led by Health Secretary Teodoro Herbosa, gave the green light to an increase in the capitation rate of PhilHealth Consulta to 1,700 pesos per patient per year. As per the updated policy, private Consulta package providers, or KPPs, can now impose a co-payment of up to 900 pesos, while patients visiting public KPPs will not incur additional charges. Furthermore, the PhilHealth Board sanctioned the addition of mammography and ultrasound screening services to facilitate the early detection of breast cancer and other abdominal conditions. In conjunction with this development, House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo announced in a press conference at the House of Representatives that a free mammogram and breast ultrasound services of PhilHealth for Women, which were originally scheduled for July, will be implemented earlier in April.
Ang una pong usapan, agreement with the Speaker and the PhilHealth officials ay July. Pero kahapon po, inaprubahan po ng board nila, lumalabas po na this April. April po, libre na po ang mammogram at saka ultrasound for the breast para sa mga kababaihan po na member ng PhilHealth at yung kanilang beneficiary. Kung may mga anak po sila na babae, pwede na pong magpatingin. Ang gagawin lamang po, meron pong program. Pumunta po kayo sa website ng PhilHealth or sa PhilHealth office. Magparehistro po kayo doon sa tinatawag na Consulta Program.
Tulfo added, this is a government initiative for women aimed at helping them monitor their health. Meanwhile, female lawmakers also expressed gratitude for House Speaker Martin Romualdez' initiative, which they consider a thoughtful gift for women.
Nagpapasalamat kami kasi maski lalaki yung ating speaker ngayon, parang ramdam niya yung pangangailangan ng mga babae. Lalong-lalo na ngayong Women's Month, talaga namang natutukan ito ay napakagandang regalo sa ating mga babae.
PhilHealth Consulta offers a primary care benefit package encompassing complimentary annual checkups, select diagnostics, and medication. The implementation of the augmented payments is slated for June 2024 or sooner and subject to the finalization of operational specifics, including IT system enhancements. Joshua Garcia from the National TV Network for a new and better Republic.